Hey, you. Guess what? I got another Amazon unboxing all the way from the other side of the world. China. See the Chinese writing on this? Take a good look. All the way from Hong Kong. Well, let's get to the unboxing day of this. Actually, this is a Sonic dishwasher. Yeah, my lady friend bought it for me early Christmas gift. Let's get to the unboxing of this. Yep, I just undid the tape. I just broke the Chinese tape. I hope it didn't get busted in transit. That came along, traveled quite a ways from here. Okay, here it is. The Sonic dishwashing machine. And they gave me this suction cup and a lovely owner's manual here. Yes, the owner's manual, of course, printed in Chinese. Yes, a little better. It's printed in English. This is actually made in China dishwasher. All the way from China. So, this is great. So when you get this dishwasher here, you will receive this item here. With a, should fit like this on the sinks like that here. But then you got the suction cup thing here. So vice versa. So I see how this works. I hadn't really plugged it in yet. Put power on it yet. I got a USB charger right here. Let's see if this thing even gonna run or not on this. Plugging this in to see it not. I gotta. Will it do? Okay, I see how it works. Not gonna run this too long, right? Yeah, I see what it does. I see how this works. You plug it in, that's how it runs. Does this plug it in to see if the motor will fire up or not? Yes, it does. But I don't know how well that's gonna work because, you know, it looks okay. Let's see if it runs okay. Now, this is another thing that came with it. I don't know how this is gonna work. This here is suction cup. I don't know how that's even gonna work on my sink or what's gonna happen with that. Looks like a suction cup to me. Now let's see how good this really works. Anyway, blog